Have you been looking for a gate for your pet or for your baby or for your toddler or whatever? This might be the answer. This is a paid sponsored video and this product was sent to me by the brand. We're gonna unbox this, we're gonna review it, we're gonna install it. This has a very unique feature. This is the white version of the Babelio magnetic gate. Stick it around because you're gonna see the installation of this as well, but it's important to see what's coming in the box. There's your gate. This thing says it has baffles. What's a baffle? I'm baffled by the baffles. This gate is only pressure mounted. This does not require screws. Do not cut off the belt before installation. So don't cut that one off. It's got some stuff. There's an extension. That's actually two extensions, I believe. Yep, that's two extensions. Wonder if those are baffles. What's a baffle? Here's your warranty card. Don't forget to fill that out. Here's the safety gate installation manual. You might need that. Or just watch this video instead. This gate can be installed 29 to 43 inches wide. Babelio, help me. So everything that comes with this gate. Well, the gate comes with this gate, but these extensions come with this gate. These things right here. What are these things? You got a pressure mount right there. That's what this is. I'm going to show you how to do this. You get 4 pressure mounts. Also, you get these little cups like this. These are little stickers that go inside your little pressure cups. There's a little key. I've not ever seen this with a gate. What is this? What does this do? And here are some screws. It also comes with drywall anchors. Now I've installed a lot of gates. I used to have like a whole corral in my house, especially when my kids were younger. Had like 3, maybe 4 gates installed at once. So I've done this more than once. So it's not like I'm just doing this for the first time. I actually have another video about a different Babelio gate you can check out there. Let's just get on with this installation. This is 2 feet 11 inches. So 35 inches right here. So that fits within that range. This gate sits 30 inches tall. There's actually 3 extensions. So you've got 2 little 1 bars like that and 1 2 bar like that. Okay, here's the gate. Don't cut this one off right now. First thing I'm gonna do is just set this main piece right in the center and just kind of eye it. Let's see, where do I want this thing to open? Which direction do I want this to open? Right now I've got it hinging this way, so it's gonna flappy open this way. If I want it to open the other direction, because it has a little nice brand name right there, Babelio. Babelio. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna take some extensions and figure out my spacing on this. I think I'll just take one of these and put it in like that. Then I think I'll take another one of these and put it in here like that. That way I get a nice centered gate. Right here are my extension bolts, and just so you know, you do not screw these in, you just push it in. Okay, and the way this is going to work is you're going to actually spin this, and this will bring this out right here, creating pressure against the wall. So I'm going to do this 2 at the top and then 2 at the bottom as well. The very best thing to do is, if you've got it out like this, is to screw this all the way down so that it's like that to begin. That way it goes all the way in. You might have to get a little tap, tippity tap. This is where the fun begins. And this is gonna come out. I'm gonna start doing this on the other side as well. So I'm gonna go ahead on the other side, start screwing that so that this starts coming out. Now I got a little tension going against the wall there. Make sure it's kind of centered in the wall where you want it. These are already pretty tight because of the baseboards. So I'm gonna go ahead and start creating some tension there. Start creating some tension here. Creating some more pressure up here at the top. See this little key? We were wondering what this thing is for. This is actually to help you tighten up these spindles right here. So you put it in like that. You can come this way, which in this case is gonna tighten it, I think. And this way to loosen it. So it goes all the way down in there, and you can turn this. So we got some pressure going on there. You don't want to pull this belt off until after you get your pressure mounts installed. Just keep this belt. We still have the zip tie right here. Do you see this gap right here? You're like, wait, why is it not latching? I don't know why it's not latching. It should be latching. You have to create pressure on both sides using that and that over there for that to go together. I'm gonna just keep putting pressure on these things right here. You're gonna see this coming together. See that coming together? What you heard was this down here just fell to the ground because there was enough pressure for this to come together. So we can cut this off now. Our little latches come together. If you have some kind of weird corner piece or rail that you're trying to put this against, you might want to use one of these U-bolts. You can put it on a corner like that. Then you can put the pressure on the corner if you have some weird angle or something. Take the little pressure tensioner off of this bolt and put it onto this bolt right here. If you decided you wanted to use this at the top of the stairs, you would take this, measure it where it needs to go. You would screw this into the wall, and then you would put this right here inside this little cup. And that's what would help it stay on the wall and would not slip. You can use these little stickers inside the cup once you get your screw in, and they provide the hardware for you to do that. The gate has been installed, and I'm gonna show you how this works, and I'm also gonna show you what the baffle is here in just a minute. I'm not baffled anymore. What I like about this is that it can open both directions. To open this, you pull up here and push down here, then lift up on the gate. Okay, so it can open this direction, and it can hold itself open. It can go open that direction, and it can close itself. This is what I'm gonna call the baffle right here. This is how you are able to set it so that it only opens one direction. So if I set it like that, it can only open the direction toward me. See? And it can't go all the way across. If I open that up and close the other one, it only opens in that direction and it will stop. So it's self-closing, but it also can hold itself open. You just have to give it a little tap. So that's what's amazing, is it's got a magnet in here that brings it together and it locks it. I love that this sits flush on the floor all the way from one end to the other. This is where the connections are, so it's a very solid connection. I think this baby gate's actually really well constructed. It is all metal. It comes with the metal components. It does have some plastic pieces like this little spinny thing right there. Now, it feels kind of plastic, maybe really hard plastic, but this is metal. It's all metal right there. So this is well constructed, and I've been messing with this for a little while. I don't see any nicks or scratches on it, so I think it's gonna hold up really well. Comes in a couple of versions, so you can check out the product page to figure out, which version of this you might want. It stands 30 inches high. Again, it can go between 29 to 43 inches wide. And that is the Babelio magnetic safety gate.